That's a chili garlic sauce. So that's the Biscoff McFlurry. Hey guys, it's Steve from the Fat Life Project. I'm currently in the beautiful city of Singapore and I'm about to go do what I always do when I'm in a new city, which is to check out their McDonald's. Because as you know, you can always find unique food items on the McDonald's menu in every city that you can't find anywhere else. So yeah, I'm about to go do a Macca's run, aka a McDonald's takeout of all the unique food items that I can find and bring it back here to the hotel room, try and review each and every one of them for you. So if that sounds good to you, well then just sit back, relax, and come on, let's go check out McDonald's Singapore. Amazing, thank you so much. Guys, oops. Guys, I've literally just come back from, ran to the closest Macca's and ran back because I bought a McFlurry's and I didn't want it to melt. And it's not that far away, it's like 10 minutes away. But because Singapore is so humid, I am sweating. Anyway, just serve my little haul here. And this is something else that you can't get, well in Australia at least, you can't get it. That's a chili garlic sauce, garlic chili sauce, amazing. We've got a apple custard pie. Smells really good. We've got some fries. And also got char grilled chicken flavored mac shaker. So I'm gonna show you how this works in a bit. And got some chicken McCrispy. I've also got myself a Lotus Biscoff McFlurry because, I mean, who could say no to a Biscoff McFlurry? And this is a Milo. Milo is like the equivalent of Nesquik, I guess. All right, so I'm gonna start with the Mac Shaker fries. See these bags here? That look, honestly, they look a bit like the bath bags that you find on the plane, but anyway. I know how they work because I lived in the Philippines for many years and they also had the Macca's, McDonald's in the Philippines also had Shake fries for a while, and I think it works very similarly. So you see your fries, right? Bag, you put the fries into the bag, and then you get these little flavor packets. I think this is the char grilled chicken flavored Mac Shaker. Mac Shaker, I like that name. So you open it, all the powder into here, pour it. Bing. And that's kind of it. Smells amazing. I'm gonna get these chips that have that layer of char grilled flavors or whatever on it. So let's give it a go. It almost has that has like a barbecue flavor to it. Guys, this is really good. And then next up, we're gonna move on to the chicken McCrispies. And guys, look at that. We've got a drumstick, and I think they also gave me a breast piece. So yeah, let's give it a go. This is what it is when like fried chicken is done right, for me anyway. So you get like the, hear that? That crispy outer layer, but inside that the meat is so tender and soft. I mean, this is how you do it. Look at how juicy, like there's literally still juices coming out. from the tender meat. It is, guys, this is amazing, honestly. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to dip well, the chips, but especially the chicken, in some of this chili garlic sauce. Okay, so I've got a quite a good amount of chili garlic sauce on the chicken drumstick. Let's give it a go. I mean, if I have to try one thing and only one thing the next time I'm in Singapore and at Macca's or McDonald's, this chicken would be it. If you don't plan to mac shake your fries, you can also just dip your fries in the chili sauce, the garlic chili sauce. Winner. Then I think we should probably eat this Lotus Biscoff McFlurry before it completely melts away in this heat. So that's the Biscoff McFlurry. It's basically a McFlurry, I guess, with like lots of Biscoff pieces in it. I'm not sure if it's gonna show you this in this lighting. I've got myself a spoonful with a chocolate of Biscoff in it, so let's give it a go. Amazing. This is freaking good. So next up, we've got the apple custard pie. Just put it down. Smells amazing. So you definitely immediately get the apple and cinnamon flavors upon the first bite. And I didn't think there was any custard, but now that I bite into it, I'm not sure if you can see. You can see like one half of it is custard and the other bit's apple. It's great. It's not too sweet. I love that you hear that? Like the pastry is so crispy. Honestly, guys, this is really good. And last but not least, we've got the Milo, which I guess is like the equivalent of Nesquik. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Nesquik. Anyway, if you're not familiar with Milo, but you know Nesquik, well, this is kind of like the same thing. Almost immediately the color is a bit off, but it does smell like Milo. So let's give it a go. It needs more Milo and it needs a bit more sugar. I think so far this is the most disappointing thing that I have tried off this menu. Overall, I'd say like the McDonald's menu items here are quite interesting. I enjoyed the Shake fries. Sorry, I enjoyed the Mac Shaker. I enjoyed the fried chicken. I enjoyed the apple pie, apple custard pie, and I loved the Lotus Biscoff. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little short review. This is obviously a slightly different format than what you guys are used to, which are very scripted voiceovers. This is me just kind of winging it. Do you like this kind of format? Do we love this kind of format? Do we not? Comment in the comment section. This has been me, Steve from the Fat Life Project, reporting live from Singapore. If you found this video helpful, informative, entertaining in any way, shape or form and want to see more of me in your feed, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe, as it really helps my tiny little channel out. I upload every weekend, so be sure to also turn on that bell notification so that you can start your weekend with me. As always, I hope that you have a great day ahead, or that you've had a great day, depending on when you watch this. And I will definitely see you soon in the next video.